Ladies and gentlemen, I once told my neighbor I'd seen a rocket. And he said, NASA. I said, no, Citroen, and it probably delivered refrigerators. That's when he slowly backed away like I was the weird one. But I believe the 1958 Citroen 55U Motorhome, also known as the legendary rocket, is exactly the kind of machine that makes you question reality and your mechanic at the same time. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, because on CampAvto, we don't just talk about vehicles. We resurrect legends that even history forgot. Now, I think what made the rocket so fascinating was its base. The Citroen Type 55, a heavy-duty truck introduced in 1953. This beast came with two engine options. First, a 5-liter inline -6 diesel, producing 86 horsepower. Second, a 5-liter inline -6 gasoline engine delivering 73 horsepower at 2,500 revolutions per minute. Not fast, not furious, but reliable like that one friend who still uses a flip phone. The chassis had a payload capacity of around 5 tons, approximately 4,536 kilograms, which made it perfect for wild conversions. And someone clearly woke up one day and said, let's build a spaceship. But make it French? The result? A fully custom aerodynamic body inspired by aviation, likely influenced by sud-aviation aircraft design trends of the time. Length estimates place the rocket at about 8 meters, with a height close to 3.2 meters. Inside. Well, that's the mystery. I liked the most that nobody actually knows what the full interior looked like. There are rumors of a lounge area, possibly a television display setup since it was used to promote Televia electronics. Imagine walking into an RV and the main feature is a television in 1958. That's luxury before Netflix even existed. From a pricing perspective, exact numbers don't exist, but based on comparable custom coach-built vehicles of the era, I estimate the rocket would have cost around from $15,000 to $20,000 back then, which translates to roughly $160,000, $220,000 today, or about 150,000 euros, C200, 5,000 euros. And that's for something that looks like it might take off if you press the wrong button. I once showed photos of this thing to a friend, and he asked where the wings were. I said, give it time, because honestly, the design screams motion even when parked. Streamlined nose, tail fins, panoramic glazing. It's like a bus that dreamed of becoming an airplane but settled for confusing pedestrians instead. What fascinates me most is its multiple lives, from promotional vehicle to circus transporter, even a mobile animal cage. That's not a career path, that's a midlife crisis on wheels. And yet, despite its fame back then, all 4 units vanished, gone. Like my motivation after leg day. Today, the 1958 Citroen 55U rocket stands as one of the most mysterious motorhomes ever built. No restorations, no survivors, just 2D, and a few scale models reminding us that sometimes the craziest ideas roll on 4 wheels. And if you're thinking, I'd totally sponsor this kind of content, I think you're absolutely right. For just $1, you can support the CampAvto channel. Link is in the description under the video. Come on, it's cheaper than a cup of coffee.